But Dr. Shahid Jamil, for those who didn't study virology, can you try and explain to our viewers why is it that 617 spreads more, is spreading to different parts of the country, whereas a 618, the doctor just told us, is actually declining, even though it started spreading in February and March, but now it's coming down. So how is it decided that what are the factors that play themselves out before one strain becomes the dominant strain, causes more damage than the others?
Well, as you have heard others say, Rahul, mutation is something very normal to a virus. When the virus multiplies, there are changes that happen, and these changes are random. There are both types of changes that are bad for the virus and changes that are good for the virus. Changes that are bad for the virus are never seen because those viruses never survive. What you actually see are viruses that have some advantage. So if the baby virus from the mother virus becomes little more infectious, so then that outcompetes other sister viruses. If you have a virus that has a change that can evade pre-existing immunity, then that has a selective advantage. So it's all about not just mutation, but also selective advantage somehow. And that is what is happening. So if you take 617, for example, 617 has two mutations that allow the virus to enter cells much better than viruses without that mutation. So when the virus enters cells better, it replicates better, it transmits better, and in a way we call it more infectious. There is another mutation in 617 that allows it to escape certain antibodies that neutralize the virus. So then that gives it the potential to evade immunity. So individually, these mutations may not do much, but when these mutations come together in the same virus, then you suddenly have a virus that can infect better and which can evade better. And that is something that can outcompete other viruses. So basically, this is what is happening. I mean, it's a very natural process. Let me add one other thing, Rahul, before I stop, that we are worried so much about double mutant, triple mutant, UK, South Africa, all of this. There is one way that will stop all mutations, and that is if we properly wear masks. That is a sure shot defense against all variants. So without worrying ourselves to death over variants, let's start wearing masks properly. Then we will cut down on transmission and we will cut down on the generation of more mutant viruses, more variant viruses. I'll stop there.